The Judicial Commission of Inquiry into allegations of sexual misconduct against Eastern Cape Judge President Selby Mbenenge continues today, with more testimony expected from his subordinates. On Wednesday, the Commission heard from colleagues of Mbenenge's accuser, Andiswa Mengo, who testified about observing interactions between the judge and Mengo, including exchanges shared on her WhatsApp status. Mengo has accused Judge Mbenenge of making unwanted sexual advances between 2021 and 2022. These are accusations that the judge president is denying. The inquiry also heard that the judge appeared visibly distressed after Mengo made their communication public by sharing screenshots. Newzroom Afrika's Qaanitah follows those proceedings and joins us this morning. Qaanitah, good morning. Just again, wrap some of the highlights of yesterday's testimony and who we're likely to hear from today.
Well, the question is who knew about the interactions between Andiswa Mengo and Judge President Selby Mbenenge. And the evidence presented yesterday and will continue today are from some of her colleagues, other court secretaries, other officials in the court who testified that they found out about this interaction through WhatsApp status she had shared, and that one witness who will resume today, who's a colleague of Ms. Mengo, she's also a secretary of Judge Mbenenge, saying that she heard from Ms. Mengo that she was being abused by a senior figure in the court who was old enough to be her father, and that she was getting unsolicited pictures confirming that, Ms. Mengo's version that she was being harassed by someone. She was not told a name, this witness telling the inquiry. And so today, the teams, Ms. Mengo's legal team, as well as the respondent's legal team, will continue cross-examination of this witness, who is a secretary also in the High Court. Now, what's important here is how, they perceive these interactions. This witness saying to the inquiry that she had received forwarded messages, which she understood to have been from Judge Mbenenge. So how much did people around Ms. Mengo knew about this interaction, and do they confirm her version, which she says has been, a series of unwanted sexual advances? The judge, however, saying to this inquiry through his legal team that this was a mutual consenting relationship that spanned over that period and extended on WhatsApp, and he denies that he had ever sent Ms. Mengo this unwanted sexual images, which now these witnesses say they had, or at least one of them said yesterday that they had seen the images that was forwarded, and they recognized, the environment or the surrounding of those very sexual images.